Next up is the Redline Racing clutch bell. This is for GY6 motors, 125, 150cc, 169 sometimes. And as you can see, this has a lightweight lattice design that reduces clutch rotational mass, and that will increase your acceleration and allow you to hit a maximum attainable RPM that was higher than stock. It also helps dissipate heat. There's less metal to retain heat, and this has a more cooling effect on your clutch. Also, the inner drive face, as you can see here, is grooved. This dissipates clutch friction material, so as dust moves from your clutch pads, it'll dissipate and rotate to the outside and expel it away from the actual clutch surface. Also, reduces slippage. So if your pads tend to glaze or anything like that, this cross-hatching will help increase your frictional surface adhesion. GY6 Redline High Performance Clutch Bell, or clutch drum as you will, available only at Scooterworks USA.